Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a showdown between two security cameras that are sure to keep your home safe and sound. In the left corner we have the Noorio B200 security camera, and in the right corner we have the LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K. Let the battle begin. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, the price. The Noorio B200 comes in at a price of $129, while the LaView bulb camera is a steal at just $69. Looks like LaView is taking an early lead in the affordability department. Now let's dive into the features. The Noorio B200 boasts a built-in spotlight that illuminates the surroundings when motion is detected. Talk about keeping those unwanted visitors at bay. On the other hand, the LaView bulb camera offers a 360 degrees panoramic viewing angle, capturing every nook and cranny of your room with no blind spots. No sneaky intruders can hide from this one. When it comes to night vision, the Noorio B200 shines with its color night vision, showing you more details even in the darkest corners. Meanwhile, the LaView bulb camera takes it up a notch with advanced Starlight night vision that provides full-color video, making those late-night shenanigans crystal clear. Now let's talk about storage. The Noorio B200 offers 8 GB of local storage, allowing you to store up to 3,000 pieces of footage without any hidden costs or subscriptions. However, it does not support external storage methods. On the other hand, the LaView bulb camera offers easy wireless installation and remote viewing via the LaView app. You can access your footage anytime, anywhere without worrying about running out of space. Installation time. The Noorio B200 takes the spotlight here with its 100% wire-free design. You can install it anywhere, indoor or outdoor, without any pesky wires. Plus, the magnetic mount allows for easy adjustment, so you can find the perfect angle in seconds. But wait, the LaView bulb camera has something to say too. It's as easy as screwing in a light bulb thanks to its E27 light bulb base. No electrician needed. Let's move on to some additional features. The Noorio B200 offers advanced AI detection, only triggering video recording when it detects human movements. Say goodbye to false alarms from swaying trees or wandering animals. On the other hand, the LaView bulb camera comes equipped with two-way audio and a 110 decibels alarm siren to deter any intruders. It's like having your own personal security guard. Last but not least, let's talk about compatibility. The LaView bulb camera takes the crown here as it is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice controls. You can simply ask your virtual assistant to show you the live feed or turn on the alarm. How cool is that? The Noorio B200 security camera has exceeded customers' expectations with its high-quality video, easy installation, accurate motion detection, two-way audio, cloud storage option, sturdy build, and affordable price. On the other hand, the LaView 4MP bulb security camera is highly recommended for its excellent coverage, clear day and night vision, responsive motion detection, audible alarm, easy installation, and compatibility with voice controls. It offers great value for money. And that's a wrap. Both cameras have their own unique features, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. The Noorio B200 with its motion-activated spotlight and wire-free installation, or the LaView bulb camera with its panoramic view and voice control compatibility. Remember to do your research, consider your budget, and make a smart choice. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.